Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex. This right here is Tiger Shark, and this thing is massive. It's actually really big. I want to say that it's for medium to large size cats or dogs for sure. But in our case, we have 4 cats at home, and they love this one. This actually is the second one we got because they're kind of like cat fighting all the time just for this one because it is big. It is 24 by 24. And Tiger, he's a big boy. He's a 21-pound cat. So it is a big cat for sure. I mean, if you don't trust me, just take a look at this. Let's see if we can actually take it out of this super big, but look at this. Look at this big boy over here. He loves this one. He really likes this one. They all love this one, of course. But the thing about this one is, number one, the size. It is 24 by 24 and it's extra, extra soft. Not only on the inside, it has a really big cushion, but also on the outside. Let's take a closer look now. So again, take a look at this. Take a look at how fluffy this one is, how soft it is on the outside, but of course on the inside as well. It has a really nice cushion over here that I think that's the thing that they love the most, how cushion and how thick it is on the inside. And of course, they like to put their chin over here on the edge when they're kind of like sleeping or chilling or taking a nap, just because it is so soft and nice for them. So again, 24 by 24, super extra mega soft. And of course, they love how cozy and how nice this one is. I'm gonna give it a huge thumbs up. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon.